Your social media feed is a minefield of digital puppets these days. You might be scrolling through a video when you see Leonardo DiCaprio standing next to a naked Sydney Sweeney. They are talking about a product called Honey Peak Gelatin. It sounds absurd because it is. This is a massive celebrity deepfake scam. It is designed to trick you into buying a male enhancement product that has zero medical backing. The scammers behind this are using the faces of everyone from Bill Gates to Mia Khalifa. They even throw in action stars like Sylvester Stallone or Tom Cruise to give the illusion of legitimacy. It is all fake. Every single bit of it is generated by artificial intelligence. These videos often use explicit imagery to catch your eye. They want to shock you into stopping your scroll. Once they have your attention, they start spinning a tale about a special honey recipe that can reclaim your strength. They claim the product is registered with federal health regulators. That is a complete fabrication. These people are operating in the shadows. There is no real company information available. No one knows where these gummies are actually made or what is inside them. If you make the mistake of clicking through, you are entering a world of financial headaches. They promise a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try to actually claim that and you will hit a brick wall. They often refuse to give you the full amount back. They might offer you half of your money just to make you go away. It is a predatory tactic. They also claim there is no auto shipment involved. In reality, people are reporting unauthorized monthly charges that are nearly impossible to cancel. Your credit card information is essentially being handed over to ghosts. The websites they use change constantly. One day it is a specific app address. The next day it is a totally different domain. They are playing a game of cat and mouse with the platforms that host their ads. You might see these pop up on TikTok or through weird redirects on news sites. The goal is to funnel you into a high-pressure sales pitch before you have a chance to think it through. If you are struggling with vitality or health issues, please see a real urologist. Do not buy a bottle of mysterious gelatin from an AI-generated Joe Rogan. These scammers are bankrolling their operations with the money of people who are looking for a quick fix. They rely on the fact that these topics can be embarrassing to talk about. They hope you will just take the loss and move on. Do not give them that power. This entire marketing campaign is built on lies and stolen likenesses. It is one of the most aggressive and deceptive health scams on the internet right now. Keep your eyes open for the warning signs. If the celebrity looks a little too blurry or their voice sounds a bit mechanical, it is a trap. These people do not care about your health. They only care about the numbers in your bank account. Stay skeptical and stay safe out there. These celebrities have no idea their names are being dragged into this. Protect your data and your wallet from these digital ghosts. Just keep scrolling and do not give them the satisfaction of a click.